Welcome to Boxprint. It's a pleasure to introduce our printing company. At Boxprint, we deal with the full development and production of environmentally friendly packaging materials made of cardboard and corrugated board. We primarily produce shelf packaging for well-known brand products, which make the packaged end products more desirable and sellable on the shelves and department stores and the drugstores.
The key to our growth is the expertise of our employees, our commitment to our customers and quality, as well as our modern, recently renewed machine park, which we developed with maximum consideration of our customers' needs. We are constantly looking for innovative solutions and efficient production methods supported by Industry 4.0.
Maximálisan odafigyelünk dolgozóink jelzéseire, egyedi igényeire, a munkakörnyezetünkre. Igyekszünk élhetővé tenni a munkahelyet számukra, hogy megfelelő légkörben dolgozhassunk együtt. Értékeink közé tartozik egymás tisztelete, csapatmunka és a profizmus.